2 класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, Домашнее задание, Рыбак и рыбка, часть 2, страница 46, 47, 48, 49. English, Starlight 2. The fisherman and the fish. Homework. Page number 46, 47, 48, 49. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 46. 46. Listen, point to the pictures and say. The fisherman and the fish. Послушай, покажи на картинке и скажи. Frightened, kneel. Plate, cup, servant. Listen and read the story. The old man is frightened. He asked to see the queen. She is sitting on her throne. Kneel down, old man, the god says. Greetings, your majesty, the old man says. I hope you are happy. His wife does not answer. She sends him away. A week later, the queen asks to see the fisherman. Kneel down, old man, the god says. The queen is eating from a gold plate and she is drinking from a gold cup. Her dress and her shoes are gold. There are servants everywhere. But the fisherman's wife does not look happy. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 47. 47. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and correct the sentences. Прочтите рассказ еще раз и исправьте предложение в тетради. The answer. The fisherman is frightened. The queen is sitting on her throne. The queen is drinking from a gold cup. There are servants everywhere. The queen does not look happy. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Find and circle the words from the story. Найди слова из истории. Kneel, plate, cup, servant, jewels. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Read and complete. Прочитайте и заполните. The answer. Dear Diary, my wife lives in a palace now. She is queen of the land. eats from gold plates and drinks from gold cups. Your clothes and shoes are gold too. She's got a lot of servants, but she isn't happy. Not at all. I don't know what to do. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 48. 48. Exercise number 4. Listen and sing. Послушай и спой. Oh, the queen does not look happy. Not at all. Oh, the queen does not look happy. Not at all. The queen does not look happy. She's angry and she's snappy. The queen does not look happy. Not at all. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 49. 49. Exercise number 1. Listen and repeat the sound and the word. Kneel. Kneel. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Read the words and the sentences to your friend. Прочтите слова и предложения своему другу. Kneel, no, knee, knife. Kneel, kneel in, kneel in front of. They kneel in front of the queen. Pete the bee. Petey is a bee, but he likes sweets. One day he sees a sheep under a big tree. Hello, says Pete. Hi, says the sheep. Dear sheep, says Pete, have you got any sweets to eat? Please. No, says the sheep, but I have got these peas. So Pete eats the peas and says, thank you, they're very sweet. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Say the words. Circle the words that have got different sound. Скажи слова, найди слова, которые звучат иначе, чем остальные. Queen, kneel, send, she, gem, love, tummy, drum. Likes, plays, jumps, eats, runs, reads, draws, makes. The answer: send, jam, plays, makes. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Listen and sing. Послушай и спой. Bend your knees, touch your feet. Who's the one you want to meet? With a knock, 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 knock. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Who's that knocking on the door? My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.